94.1 is a 1962 Chrysler Newport convertible. Frame off professiontional restoration. 383 V8 automatic transmission. Owner's manual is with this automobile. It's like brand new.
And a nice little Newport coming up here, ladies and gentlemen. How much you buying that? Wow, pretty little Chrysler here. My goodness, look at that interior, look at the wheels, look at the car, look at the colored bumper, the bumper wheels to the roof. That's the one you want, ladies and gentlemen. I assume it's got to be a red top car, I'm not sure, but man, it looks nice. Yeah, the red top of the money, you can save it in that $80,000 bid, and that $80,000, and that $80,000, and that $80,000 with Scotty C. And now $70,000, 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 and now $60,000, 50, 40, 30. 25, 20, 22, 5. 20 grand, 22, 5, 22, 5. They're down to 22, 5. Cross ram right, ladies and gentlemen, and it's absolutely gorgeous. 25, 25, 25,
20 bid.
27, 5.
25 bid. Now we're waking up. 27.5. Finally woke up.
32.5.
30.
32.5 refill. 32.5 come on. 32.5. And now
32.5.
37.5.
35.
36. 36,000 come out. 36.
36.
37. It is a black soft top car too, with that red interior and blood and an X-ray ride.
For this car.
Goodness, it's a lot of units.
Remarkable.
$37,000, $38,000 there, right?
Oh, listen to that
Just listen to it.
Oh, I don't like the rims.
38,000 there.
I can feel it in my gut. 37, top bid. No sale. Takes about 50.